Hi, Tony again with New Dimension, and here is a viscose cotton and polyester blend. The left side was treated with fiber protector and the right side was not. And I am pouring some hot coffee on both sides, and you can see the left side beads up nicely. Now there's no texture change, no feel difference to this fabric on the treated and untreated side. And you can see that there's some damage, some distortion that's left on the viscose. This can actually be corrected and then cleaned and then reprotected. But on the side that was protected, you're able just to blot up that coffee. So on the right side, there's some damage from the warm coffee. Left side, it is looking just like you purchased it. Please remember, New Dimension.